I'm Alex and I'm the Curriculum Manager for Science. T-levels are a 2-year qualification. They've got an academic component and a work placement component. The work placement part, it takes about 300 hours and it's ideal for someone who wants to study science and then proceed to a higher level and working in industry afterwards. T-levels are for students that want to gain an academic qualification and want to proceed into the workforce, and we meet the local skills need for Nottinghamshire. The main difference between T-levels and A-levels is the work placement component. With A-levels it's purely an academic qualification, whereas with T-levels we've got that academic side, but we've also got the large work placement portion as well. After studying T-level you can go into university or going straight into the workforce. Going into university you've got a choice of going into biomedical science, chemistry, you've got the whole healthcare sector, nursing, midwifery, and afterwards, because you've done a T-level, you've got more hands-on experience than someone who's just done a BTEC or an A-level, so it's a lot more sought after when going into the workforce. In science in Nottingham College we have 2 T-levels. We've got a T-level in laboratory science and a T-level in healthcare science. Our T-level in laboratory science is a mix of chemistry, biology, physics with an employer set project. So you'll be taking all of your academic skills, which are going to be exam assessed, and then a project that will be done in the workplace on block placement. In healthcare science you'll be doing studying like bedside manner, how all of these drugs are developed, as well as again an employer set project that will be assessed through the workplace with the employer.